wish there was a photograph that showed me here with you, and I could kiss the photograph and make my wish come true. I wish I was a humming dove so I could sing so sweet. I wish that I could steal the moon and kiss it with my feet. I wish I was a remedy that you wanted to take, a product of a recipe that no one had to bake. I wish I could forget that day, the hurting in my heart, and wash our mess with Listerine to make a brand new start. Watching the rain fall down, watching the rain, watching the rain, watching the rain fall down, watching the rain, watching the rain fall down. I wish there was a fairy tale that turned into my life, so I could kiss Prince Charming Man and be his princess wife. I wish the voices in my head would leave my ears alone, so my eyes would stop their water bleeding and I could find a home. I wish there was a ruby rose where I spread my wings and flew, so I could inhale the perfume and be the morning dew. I wish the raindrops on the glass would let me join their dance. I'd spin and twirl and laugh with them and drown my thoughts perchance. Watching the rain